Okay, let's see this question. We're given a square equals to 270400. So we want to find a. So basically we just square root of this number to find a square of, someone's square to be this number. So what do we do? Let's divide by 2. That's the easy step, divide by 2. Oh, first we can divide by 100, right? So 2704 2 equals to 2704 multiplied by 100. Well, 100 is 10 squared. So we already find a square. So we write 100 as 10 squared. So now let's focus on 2704. So 2704, let's divide by 2 each step. So if we divide by 2, that's a 2 multiplied by 1352, right? 1352. Then we divide this by 2 again. So we multiply by another 2. If we divide this by 2, we get a 676. Okay. So that's 2 times. Or maybe I should keep some steps. But let me just keep copying this. So now 1352 equals to 2 multiplied by 676. Right. So we can keep going. That's 2 squared. So we divide 676 again. So 2 squared multiplied by 676, now 338. We can keep going with this process, right? 2 divided by 3. Now 338 divided by 2. That's 169. Now, so 169 is 13 squared. So we can write as 13 squared. Now if we go back, so 132, so that equals to, remember here we have 2. So let's just delete this one so it can equal to the previous one. So this would be 2 raised by 2. And here would be 2 raised by 4. Right? So now what do we have? We have this number. I want to copy paste this number. This number equals to 10 squared in the beginning, right? 2 raised by 4, which is 4 squared. 4 squared times 10 squared, or let's put 10 squared in the last. 13 squared, then 10 squared. So now we want to rewrite those numbers together. Everybody's squares will have 4 times 13 times 10. 4 times 13 is 52. So we'll get a 52 times 10, 520. So that's 520 squared. So that means A can be positive, negative, can be plus, minus 520. Right. So the trick to solve these kind of problems is just trying to find a square. So right, we go with the easy one first. We see 2 zeros, that's 100. So we split it into 2,704 multiplied by 100, which is 10 squared. So we find 1 square. Then we see 2704 is an even number, so we divide by 2. Then 1352 is the even number, so we keep dividing by 2 until it becomes an odd number. So 169 is an odd number, and 169 is 13 squared. So then we see we have 2 raised by 4, which is 4 squared, so 13 squared. So we have 10 squared. We put them together, so that's 520 squared. So square root both sides. So A can be positive 520 or negative 520. That's it. That's for this problem.